Welcome to Maths World YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss exercise 2.6 question number 3 by using synthetic division. X plus 3, x minus 2 of x cube plus 4x squared plus 12x plus m. You know that x plus 3 is equals to 0 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. So we will get x is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to 2. Now what you will do, you are going to solve it by synthetic division. Like this, you are going to factor it out. Like this. Okay. You can write it. For any problem you can ask. So first you can solve any, either minus 3 or I'll solve minus 3. So 1, 4, 2 Lx and n. 1 will be here, this is 1. You could make it long line because other factor also you're going to solve in this same pattern. 1. So minus 3 here, the answer would be 1. Then minus 3, so 2 Lx minus 3. Then here you will get, simply you will get here 3 to the 6 minus 6 Lx plus 3 is 9. So minus 6 Lx plus 9 plus m. This is the right factor. Now if you are going to do 2 also here, either you can solve it also separately, or if you are going to solve here also, but better it to solve it separately. If you are going to do it separate or same, that's not an issue. Let's see what we get in both methods and which you get convenient you can solve. Like this, you have got the factor that is 2. Here come 1. So 2, then 3, then 2 3s are 6. 6 and 2 Lx minus 6 3 and 4 3. So this is a factor addition. Now what we will do, you can ask it or write it that remainder is equals to 0. Now we have two things here, like 2Lx plus 3 is equals to 0. That can be our equation number 1, and second equation can be minus 6Lx plus 9 plus m is equals to 0. These are our two equations. Now simply I am going to solve them. And by solving it, 2Lx, yes, you can solve it in other factors also. If you do solve this part in other factors, just assume that you are doing it other factor also. So 2 same equation would be there, 1 4 2 Lx. But I think that would be problem for you people. You people rather doing this same method which I am doing right now. So in this situation, x value is also very important. You don't have the x because x is 2 and 3. So you are just having right here L because x is relevant thing. Don't write L, x also. Here you don't also write L because x is addition factor. Because you don't write here x cube. So why you write here x? So this is the thing that you're going to remember. That's why I wrote that you may people understand well while I am telling you. Okay. You don't write here x because you don't write here x squared, so why don't add in the factors. Like this is the main concept. There are people make mistakes. So 2L is equals to minus 3. L is equals to, L is multiplying with 2 minus 3 by 2. This is the answer value of L. Then second equation is solve here, minus 6L plus 9 plus m is equals to 0. Minus 6, L value is minus 3 by 2 plus m plus 9 is equals to 0. Now simply 2 1s are and 2 3s are, 3 plus plus and 9, 9 and 9 and m is equals to 0. So 9 and 18 plus m is equals to 0, and m is equals to minus 80. So these are the two values of L and M that we have find by using synthetic division. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel.